Assalamualaikum. My name is Ramin Muzammil and
I am Ichiman from 8B2.
Today we are here to introduce a fascinating robotics project which is Acid, Alkalis and Salt Hunter. Actually, whenever we discuss about this project, so the first question in our mind is what is acid, base and salt?
Acid is a substance that releases hydrogen ion when dissolved in water.
While base are the substances that produces hydroxide ion when dissolved in water.
Salt is a product of neutralization reaction.
So let's build it. First of all, take 3 L brackets and one 5x13 panel and attach them with each other. Two 2-in-1 reverse. On the next step, we want one 9 panel, 2 3 panel and one square bracket. Attach these things with the help of reverse. Take 9 panel. And attach them with the help of reverse. We have to take 2 DC motors along with wheel guides and also 2-in-1 reverse. Two 6 panels and 2 3 panels and 2 L brackets. Change the size of the structure and take 2 V brackets and one 6x6 panel. Take joint A and B and attach them with V brackets. Now we have to make this step. So one 2x7 panels, one 4 panel and 2 L brackets. 3 2x7 panels, one 4. Just like this, we have to make another step. Part we have made, we have to attach with these beads. We have to attach 3x5 panel with this structure. Now here on step 13, we want 2 L brackets structure is complete. Now we are going to another structure. So now for our next step, we want one 3x5 panel, one 3x2 panel, and 2 L brackets. Two V brackets and one 2x3 panel. Also for 2-in-1 rivets. Two more V brackets and one 3x5 panel. Like this, we have also made another structure. Now attach this structure with this one. Now the next step, we want 5x13 panel. Attach 2 line panels with these 3x9 panels. Change the side of the structure and attach 2 line panels. And attach them with 3x9 panels. Let's back to the structure. Take 2 3x9 panels, 2 3x5 panels and 4 L brackets. Attach them with the assembly of step 18. Attach these brackets with 3x9 panels. Now we have to make another structure. Make one 5x13 panel, one flat plate pipe, one flat plate rack and 2 V brackets. Attach them with the help of rivets. LED green and one RC receiver. Now we have to attach this step with this one. As you can see that our structure is almost complete. Now we have to make another structure. Take 3x11 panel, one wheel pulley and one wheel bracket. With each other like this. Take 2x7 panel, one 2x3 panel and one nozzle.
Bye.